In this video, we are going to learn how to use the SUMIF function. Well, the sum, we all know the use of sum function, and in the last video we have also seen how the if function works. So the sum is a mathematical function which adds up the value of a range of cells like this, and the if function checks if the cell or cell contains a particular value or a particular text. So the SUMIF function is the merge of these two things, the sum and the if function. So here we have a data of a list of countries and their corresponding cells. We have used the same set of data that we have used in the last video in the if function, so that you can relate to both the videos more easily. So in this example we are going to find the sum of the sales where the country is Germany. So here we can find that there are a few names of countries like Canada, there is Germany, France, Mexico, like these. So we only have to find the sum of sales where the country in this column says Germany. So let's find out how to do it. So we are going to take this cell and as sales in Germany, and in the corresponding cell we are going to find what the sales value is. So let us write the function as equals to sum if now here we are going to see that this function requires three sets of data. The first one is the range, the second one is the criteria, and the last one is the sum range. So what does this mean? So the first input is the range of the values that we are going to check. So here we are going to put the range as A2 through A16. Why we are going to take this? Because we are going to check if the name of the country is Germany or not. So for that we have to put the range of the data where the condition is going to be checked. So in this function we are going to check this set of data, and after a comma it asks us to put the criteria. So the criteria would be Germany. So we are going to use inverted commas as it is needed to identify a text. So here this column is a text column, and to identify it as text we are going to use double quotation marks. So under that we are going to write Germany, which is the name of the country we are trying to search, again a comma, and now we have to put the range of the cells that we are going to add or sum. So here the range is from B2 through B16. So again let us summarize what we have just did. First we have put the range of the cells that we are going to check, the criteria. Next one is the actual criteria that we are going to check. Since it's a text, so we have put the name Germany within double quotation marks. After that we are going to find the sum of the cells, and in here the sum or the numbers are contained in the B column from B2 to B16. So let's see if it is going to give us the right data. We see that the results are here and it is showing 66,16,667. So let's check if this is correct or not. Let's put the filter, deselect all, and put Germany over here. Now we are going to filter it out. After that let's check if it is going to give us the right data. So here we can see that it is showing 6,16,667, which is exactly as we have found. So we can see that the SUMIF function is a very useful one, which uses the sum and the if both in a single function. So we don't have to use separately, and we can use this function to find out the sum of a range which satisfied a certain criteria. I hope this video helps you in learning how the SUMIF function works. See you in the next one.